Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into industry from last 25 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling, and I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों सूरज Vitalis, which is at Mahim West. So let's begin with the show. So friends, you can see the elevation of the building, and this building is developed by Suraj developer, and the building name is Suraj Vitalis, which is at Mahim West. So you can see the elevation of the building. It's very sleek design, and basically this is 38-story building is there, and below that there is a 7 level of podium parking is there. So all the amenities are given on the 8th floor. You will get all the amenities, and below all parkings are there. Now this is at Mahim West, so you can imagine Mahim West is very densely populated area, and the ecosystem, of course, everything is very close by from that area. And when you see over here, this land parcel is not more than around 25,000 square feet, or maybe less than that. But the FSI has been taken in space. So you can see that building is very sleek, and it's a combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats. So when you see over here, जैसा आप आसपास की बिल्डिंग आप देख रहे हैं, it's not more than 7 to 8 story apartment. और ये जो बिल्डिंग है वो काफी मतलब हाइटेड बिल्डिंग है, अराउंड 38 स्टोरी है, और उसके नीचे भी 7 लेवल पोडियम पार्किंग है. तो आपका जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर जो शुरू होगा वो कम से कम एट द हाइट ऑफ कम से कम 11th फ्लोर तक रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द पोडियम लेवल पार्किंग. सो बिल्डिंग इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डिजाइन, एंड Suraj developer is a very known developer, and they have developed many buildings in Mahim, Matunga, Dadar, and all the surrounding areas of South Mumbai. So Suraj is very known developer, and secondly, this building is known as Suraj Vitalis, and this is 38 story with 7 level of podium parking, and amenities are given on the 8th level of the building of the podium parking. So here you can यहाँ पर मैं एक चीज आपको बोलना चाहूँगा कि amenities limited amenities है, लेकिन quality amenities, because the land parcel is small. So as I told you, the land parcel for this is 0.5 acre. Less than that, no, it's not 0.5 acre also, it's less than that. And you see the beautiful view from the flat. When you buy a flat, there are 2 types of views are there. So very first thing, you get the sea facing view, which is Arabian Sea, and this is sea facing view you will be getting. And this whole area you see, this is Mahim area over here. So of course the close by area to this complex is like Shivaji Park and Mahim Market and Bandra Reclamation and the other Chowpatty. These are very close by to this complex. And there are other facilities also which are very close by to this complex, like school, colleges and everything, which are very close by to this complex. So you can see the buildings, surrounding buildings, and it's in Mahim area. So you can imagine you are in the city, in fact South Mumbai. और यहाँ पर इस बिल्डिंग में आपको 2 फेसिंग का फ्लैट मिलेगा. एक तो आपका है सी फेसिंग फ्लैट, और दूसरा अगर इस तरफ का फेसिंग का अगर आप लेते हो, इस कॉर्नर का या इस कॉर्नर का अगर आप फ्लैट लेते हो, ये 2 कॉर्नर का, तो आपको सिटी फेसिंग का व्यू मिलता है. तो both the views are available for this building. This building has 1 and 2 BHK flats, which is sea facing as well as city facing also, and a beautiful panoramic view which you will be getting it from this building, because this building is very heighted building, and the first floor itself start from above the 7th level. 8th level is amenities, उसके ऊपर से 9th level से, और 9th लेवल भी जो है, क्योंकि पोडियम पार्किंग का जो हाइट होता है करीबन 10 फीट से 11 फीट का पोडियम पार्किंग का हाइट होता है, तो आपका एक्चुअल फर्स्ट फ्लोर जो है वो 11th या 12th फ्लोर से शुरू होता है. इनडायरेक्टली अगर हम लोग देखे जाएंगे तो ये करीबन 80 फीट ऊपर से आपका फर्स्ट फ्लोर शुरू होगा. So this is the image of the few amenities. Like this is the image, you can say it's a lodge image where on the podium, above the podium level parking, and this is the sitting lounge where you can see very beautifully designed, and very well space has been given for the sitting lounge in the building. Then this is the image of the sample flat. You see sample flat is also very well designed, और जो पेंट क्वालिटी एंड टाइल्स वगैरह जो दिया है वो काफ़ी बढ़िया क्वालिटी का दिया हुआ है इस बिल्डिंग में. दूसरा आप देखेंगे फुल्ली एक्विप्ड जिम दिया हुआ है विच इज सी फेसिंग. सो यू विल लव गोइंग टू दिस जिम बिकॉज द व्यू इज ऑल्सो फैंटेस्टिक फ्रॉम दिस जिम. और इसके साथ साथ जो अगर इंटरनल एमिनिटीज़ की अगर हम लोग बात करेंगे तो देयर इज अराउंड 1245 square feet banquet hall has been given, and up to 40 seat theater is also provided in this complex, and there's a jogging track and viewing gallery from the terrace, and reading corners with Wi-Fi zone and lounge for casual conversations. So all these amenities are provided in this complex. So it is very smartly planned and smartly designed. So smart living will also be there. This is again the image of the sample flat. So you can see the sample flat is also well made, and full size window has been given. This is the lobby entrance, and lobby entrance is very beautifully designed. And of course the building name, as I told you earlier, it's Suraj Vitalis, developed by Suraj developers. And you can see the lobby entrance itself look very grand lobby entrance, you can see. So in other amenities, if I read a few amenities, outer amenities, like you have a separate entry and exit for the driveways for the car parking, and there is RO water system, then there is power backup facilities, rainwater harvesting system, dedicated firefighting approach flows, fireman evacuation lift, and then 11 shops are given on the ground floor. तो आपको जो ज़रूरत की जो चीज़ें होगी वो बिल्कुल आपके बिल्डिंग के नीचे ही है. वैसे तो आजकल फ़ोन कॉल के ऊपर सारे जो ग्रोसरी वगैरह जो कुछ भी मेडिकल सामान वगैरह जो भी मंगाना होता है वो तो फ़ोन कॉल के ऊपर घर पे आके डिलीवरी दे देते हैं. Then CCTV is provided in all over the complex wherever required, and 24/7 security is there, and servant restroom at mid landings. So all these outer amenities has been provided by the developer in this complex. So this is the image of the kids play area, one of the amenities, and again the image of the lounge, sitting lounge, taken from different direction. Again, this is the same image of the lounge, sitting lounge. Now, all fittings, washroom fittings are given branded. CP fittings and sanitary ware, all branded fittings are been given in washrooms. You can make out from this image itself. And this is again the image of the sample flat, very beautifully designed. Kitchen, they have given platform on both the side. Kitchen is there, and there is a dry balcony also. Again, the image of the washroom, so you can see very beautifully designed. This is the image of the bedroom. Full size French cut window has been given, so you have natural light inside the flat, and as well as cross ventilation is also good. Now this is the master plan of the unit plan of the building. So this building, because it's only single standalone single building, so you have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 flats are there. और 8 फ्लैट में अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर 692 कारपेट है, फिर यहाँ पर भी करीबन 692 के आसपास है, यहाँ पर 652 है, फिर ये जो यहाँ पर दिया है इन्होंने, यहाँ पर 1 BHK दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पर 1 BHK दिया हुआ है जो कि 442 कारपेट है, और यहाँ फिर दोबारा 2 BHK दिया हुआ है. तो जितना भी आप देखोगे यहाँ पर फिर दोबारा 1 BHK, ये 1 BHK है और ये 1 BHK है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 जो है 1 BHK है और 4 जो है इनके 2 BHK के फ्लैट है. So friends, finally coming to the price. So 1 BHK 442 carpet is 1.77 CR. This is just an agreement value. Other charges will be separate on this. And 2 BHK 652 carpet is 2.61 CR. and 2 BHK 692 carpet is 3.05 CR, and possession date is December 2026. So I believe for under construction in area like Mahim, this is very reasonable rate, and especially with this type of tower, how you see the elevation of the building and everything, so rates are very reasonable. So definitely you should go for the booking for this flat. बिकॉज अगर आपका 2 BHK का बजट नहीं है तो आप 1 BHK से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, और जो लोग साउथ मुंबई में रहना चाहते हैं उनके लिए ये बेस्ट ऑप्शन है. अगर बड़ा नहीं तो कम से कम छोटे 1 BHK से शुरू कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज शुरू करना कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉपर्टी में शुरू करना, परचेस करना फ्लैट बहुत ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि आज जब हम लोग कोई प्रॉपर्टी परचेस करते हैं तो 10 साल के बाद हम लोग ये बोलते हैं कि वो प्रॉपर्टी हमने बहुत सस्ते में ली थी, जबकि आज वही प्रॉपर्टी को हम लोग बोलते हैं नहीं, प्रॉपर्टी हमारे बजट में नहीं है और हमको स्ट्रेच करना पड़ेगा. 10 साल के बाद वही चीज़ सस्ती लगने लगती है. ऐसा इसके लिए होता है क्योंकि जो वो है वो इन्फ्लेशन हो जाता है. 10 साल के बाद वो इन्फ्लेशन हो जाता है तो वो चीज़ ऑटोमेटिक वो सस्ती लगने लगती है. और दूसरी बात, जो चीज़ जो प्राइस में आपने खरीदा हुआ होता है वो प्राइस उसका नहीं रहता है. डेफिनेटली उससे कम से कम आज के मार्केट के हिसाब से देखेंगे तो जो 1.77 की चीज़ है वो 10 साल के बाद 2.77 की चीज़ होगी. राइट. तो एक कहावत है जैसे रोम वॉज नॉट बिल्ट इन अ डे, इट्स अ फॉल्स. इनफैक्ट द राइट सेंटेंस इज रोम वॉज बिल्ट एवरी डे. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर फ्रेंड. Thank you for watching this show. For booking you can call me on my number 7400138561, and see you again with one more project, one more launch very soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.